Here's a quick refresher on the slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. So parallel lines have the same slope. So if you have an equation where it's y equals 3x plus 9, some equation parallel to that would also be like 3x minus 2.4. Okay, so the slope portion, as long as that's identical, means the lines are parallel. Whereas perpendicular lines are two parts, opposite and then reciprocal. So opposite means one's positive, the other is negative, right? So if I had 1/5, the reciprocal of that would be -5/1. Or if I have -2/3, the reciprocal of that is +3/2. Okay, so sign changes. If one is 0, the one perpendicular to that is undefined. This would mean one's horizontal and the other is vertical. In this problem, it says draw the line perpendicular that goes through to -4. So the first thing I would do is count the slope of this line. So it looks to me like it's going up 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So my slope of this would be 1/4. So the perpendicular slope has to be the opposite, meaning negative, and the reciprocal would be 4/1, or just -4. If it has to go through the point 2, -4, I'm going to begin by graphing that by going right 2, down 4. That's right here, and now I'm going to count the slope of -4. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, and right 1. I can do it again, down 4, right 1, or up 4, left 1, up 4, left 1, and then I can connect it straight as possible, and you should see that these are perpendicular. Lastly, let's identify if the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So my eyes focus on the slope. These are opposite reciprocals, so my conclusion is that they are perpendicular. The second one, the slope is 2/5 and 5/2. These are reciprocals, but they are not opposite reciprocals, so these are neither. Careful, a lot of kids will tell me those are perpendicular. Lastly, the slope here, coefficient is 1. They both have a slope of 1, so these are parallel lines.